I've been waiting quite a while to order a 48-inch Kensone mini trampoline, and it finally arrived. I am so excited to put it together. It is a two-person job, so you will need someone to help you put it together. Once it is together and the legs are all on and tight and your U-bar is on or your T-bar is on, it is very lightweight and very easy to move around. You won't have a problem with that. I even sometimes take the legs off, and I've got hooks that I've now put them into my office. It is a very nice firm bounce. I love it. It does have a U-bar that comes with it. It is included. I just did not assemble it for me today. They do have free shipping, 30-day return. It also has suction cups on the feet, so it's really a nice little added safety feature, and it is very good product for seniors. It has low impact, gentle on the joints. It's fun to do. And again, that U-bar or T-bar, depending on which version you get, is just an added stability, helps you on and off the rebounder. Here's their website. Lots to choose from, lots of workouts on YouTube at Kate's Home Fitness. Please come work out, walk with me, rebound with me, and more. Hey, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Those are all free things you can do that help my channel out.